Yeah, find a spot. Remember where your spring's at. You might not want to. Yeah, that comes off. Your first seal's around here. Make sure this one's not broke or damaged, which looks good. Pull the shaft up. Your second gasket is on the end.
What?
Check for any damages.
I'll show you in a sec.
And that all looks good.
Damn box.
Solid.
Oh, sorry.
Show the inside of here.
Should we show them without the gasket? You want me to take the gasket off?
No. Yeah, try it.
Huh?
Yeah, so if they had to replace it.
When I go to make a flip ski, put these on there.
Pick usually works best, but a small little.
And then instead of them sharp little wires ripping through your palm, right?
There's a rubber gasket and then a plastic one.
And show them how to put it back.
We have customers wanting stuff.
Start with one side. Go opposite.
I'm the only one that had the tool.
And then just work the gasket in.
Over for what? Yeah. Some.
I got about 40 covered out, so I got them on. But usually at the discussion, we have that where we get 50% off coupon, keep the ones.
Yeah.
Smoothed out. That gasket looks good. And the next gasket you want to check is underneath the body of it. Make sure it doesn't pull off or you don't lose it. Check if there's any damages down here, which looks a little good. There's a little notch right there.
Show that close up.
We'll check that. Well, there's just a tiny little notch. Yeah, just a nick. That could be possible. I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, it looks like everything else is all together. They're going to take the inner shaft out with the pipe wrench. We might need a teeter bar. It makes it a little easier. That came apart. And this comes out. Unscrew the center shaft. There's no gaskets here to worry about. Just make sure it's in a. Nothing ever really happens to this shaft.
Yep.
Keep it all clean. Now, it looks like whoever's taking this apart here's your third gasket. It's a metal gasket. And it does have two ways. There's a soft side and a groove side. There's a groove in it that this is going to sit into. Get a magnet and make sure that there's a bearing inside here. Why this jack isn't working, I don't know either. So there's a second bearing. Which looks good. The other problem gasket is right here in this. It's a rubber gasket. check it and inspect that. This does only go in one way, also it's tapered for this body to sink into. So after that, nothing physically wrong. What's wrong with the jet?
So that's all seals, right?
That's all the seals right there.
And all the bearings and everything.
Well, there is back to the top
Show
part.
them that part.
There is a gasket on the inside of there that hardly ever gets
And on the
damaged.
opposite side.
And the opposite side, those two, yeah. And I did show them that. So.
Okay. Perfect.